ready to turn your passion into a thriving community of engaged readers. Today, we're diving deep into Beehiiv to build your email newsletter from the ground up, transforming your ideas into a powerful communication tool that captivates and grows. First, let's get started by heading over to Beehiiv and clicking on that Create New Newsletter button. Think of this as opening the door to your own dedicated publishing platform. Now, we'll give your newsletter a name that truly reflects its essence. This is what your subscribers will see. So make it memorable and descriptive next. Craft a compelling description that tells potential subscribers exactly what they can expect. This is your first chance to hook them. The heart of any great newsletter is its content. Beehiiv helps you plan this out. Consider what valuable information, stories, or insights you want to share regularly. Will it be weekly tips, monthly deep dives, or daily updates? Define your core content pillars here. Now for the visual appeal. Beehiiv offers intuitive design tools to make your newsletter look as good as your content reads. Choose a template that suits your brand, and then customize colors, fonts, and logos to create a consistent and professional look that your readers will recognize. Growing your subscriber base is key. Beehiiv makes it easy to manage your audience. You can create sign-up forms and embed them on your website or social media to attract new readers. The more people who join, the bigger your community becomes. Once your content is ready and looking fantastic, it's time to hit send. Beehiiv's publishing tools are straightforward. You can schedule your emails for the perfect time or send them out immediately. Beehiiv handles the delivery, so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. Finally, understand your impact. Beehiiv's analytics dashboard provides invaluable insights into how your newsletters are performing. Track open rates, click-throughs, and subscriber growth to refine your strategy and ensure your newsletter continues to connect and resonate with your audience. With Beehiiv, building a successful newsletter is within your reach. Start crafting your compelling content, design a stunning publication, and deliver it to an engaged audience. Your newsletter success story begins now.